Most people in your industry are invisible and they don't realize it, or they don't care. They're working hard, they're doing all the right things, yet no one remembers them. So clients go to someone else, customers trust someone else, investors, partners, or buyers, they choose someone else. Why? Because they're just another dollar bill in a stack of thousands. But today, I'm going to show you how to become the $2 bill. Rare, distinct, and unforgettable. So stay with me, because by the end of this video, you're going to know exactly how to stand out in your industry, attract opportunities, and become the authority people turn to. Sounds good? Come on, let's go. So let's talk about why people aren't getting noticed. Number one, they have no clear message. I do real estate. Cool. So do a million other people. But why you? Number two, they're afraid to show personality. People connect with people, not faceless businesses. If no one sees you, they're not going to remember you. Think about people that you follow. You see and remember them. And number three, they think expertise alone is enough. The truth, the best known person beats the best expert every single time. Are the best known people the best in what they do? No, but they're the best known. So if you don't want to be overlooked, you have to shift the way you present yourself. So here's how to stand out in the sea of same. Step one, you have to discover your $2 bill factor. This is not easy, trust me. You need to understand what makes you different. Why would someone choose you over all of the competition? The answer, it's not always being the best. It's about being the most memorable. There's a lot of good people out there. What can separate you from everyone else is putting yourself out there. So here's an example. Instead of saying, I buy houses, say, I helped stressed homeowners sell their properties fast in your city with zero headaches. Or here's another one. I specialize in creative real estate deals that make sure both sides win. Better, right? Step two, you've got to show up consistently, over and over again. Because the biggest mistake, you're hiding. If people don't see you regularly, they're going to forget you exist. So you've got to show up on social media. You've got to speak and go to local events. And you've got to create content that makes people stop and pay attention. So here's an example. Let's say you're a real estate agent. Why don't you share 3 insider negotiation tips once a week? That's going to build authority for you. What about a business owner who shares behind the scenes struggles? That becomes relatable. You're authentic, you're real. People buy into what they recognize. And when they recognize, they trust. Step 3, you've got to embrace the art of storytelling. I know this, I've been doing it for a very long time. People connect with story. Numbers, they don't just move people, but stories do. That's what separates you. So share why you do what you do, share how you've helped people, and share what makes your journey unique. So an example, instead of posting, I help owners sell fast, tell a story about the seller who was struggling until you came in with a creative solution. We're going to connect to that because people remember stories, not facts. So let's recap. If you want to start blending in and start standing out, Here's what you need to do. Discover what makes you the $2 bill. Show up consistently so people remember you. And use storytelling to create real connections. And if you want help figuring out exactly how to do this, I'm working on something special. It's pretty cool. Now drop a comment below or DM me if you want the inside scoop before I announce it publicly. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And please hit subscribe because this week, I'm continuing to dive deeper into the secrets of building an unforgettable brand. See you in the next video.